How to transfer USDT from Bitget to Tonkeeper Wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Tonkeeper Wallet. This is a step-by-step guide, so make sure to follow along closely to avoid any mistakes. To start, you'll first need to launch your Bitget app. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and log in to your account now. If you don't have any USDT in your account, you can either purchase it within the Bitget app or deposit it directly into your account. Once you have USDT in your Bitget account, tap on the Assets tab located in the bottom right corner of the screen. By default, you'll land on the Overview page, but for this transfer, you need to select the Spot tab by tapping on it at the top of the screen. Now, you should see an option to withdraw. Go ahead and tap on that. Next, use the search bar at the top to search for USDT. Once you find it, select it. You will see two options. Select the first one that says On-Chain Withdrawal. After doing this, you'll be taken to the withdrawal page for USDT. Here, you'll need to provide the deposit address for your Tonkeeper wallet. Make sure that the withdrawal network is selected as Toncoin as it is free. Now let's get your withdrawal address. Switch over to your Tonkeeper wallet and tap on the Receive button at the top. Here, you will see your deposit address. Simply copy this address. Head back to Bitget and paste the address you just copied into the appropriate section. In the next step, you'll be asked for the address tag. Please note that entering this incorrectly may result in a loss of your assets. To find your address tag, return to your Tonkeeper wallet. It should be visible on the same page where you found the deposit address. Copy it and paste it into the designated field in Bitget. Now you will notice that it is not there because Tonkeeper has no tag or memo. So, for address tag, just type none. Now in the withdrawal amount section, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Once you've done that, tap on the Withdraw button located in the bottom right corner of the screen. On the next page, simply confirm and initiate your transaction. And that's it. You have successfully transferred your USDT from Bitget to Tonkeeper. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.